Unboxing a brand new MacBook Pro. Just got this thing. My mom, it's actually my mom's, so shout out to her for letting me unbox it. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Come on, carefully now. Here it is, the brand new MacBook Pro. I want to show this. Okay, there we go. Got the laptop. Put it right there. We got our paperwork here. There we go. Got the MacBook Pro. We got our instruction guide here. And then there we go. We got some Apple stickers, matching Apple stickers. Match the laptop. And we'll just put the paperwork back in. Smells fresh. Okay. There you go. Alright, so let's put back the instruction guide. Alright, we have the charging brick here. This is the bigger power adapter brick. And we have our cable, and that's it. So it's inside the MacBook Pro. We got our USB-C to USB-C cable. See, it's USB-C, USB-C. Okay. Yeah, we got the brick here, big brick. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C charger. And yeah, that is the MacBook Pro. 2020 MacBook Pro. Okay. It's already opened up. See here. Yeah, that's the 2020 MacBook Pro with touch bar. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, come on.